O Flint sy'n paratoi, mae'n gic gornel ar ôl munud yn unig. Felly cyfle cynnar. A'r bêl yn rhydd i Steph Davies. Wel, dyna gyfleiredd yn y funud agoriadol yn y cwrt 6. Johnny Evans a Steph Davies yn brwydro yn taranu ergyd, ond mae yna gos ar y linell i achub yr ymwelwyr. Cyfle i'r tîm cartre, tafliad hir i'r cwrt Cosby. Y bêl yn rhydd, a'r bêl yng nghyfen yr oed. Evans sy'n dathlu gyda'i un chwaraewyr yn rithro at y fainc. Aberystwyth yn pwyso o'r eiliad gynta. A'r fflach bach Johnny Evans yn tanio honna, heibio i Ash Morris yn y gôl. Dyma Rhys, eisiau cefnogaeth. Bêl dda, Twomley, i drio creu rhywbeth. Bêl nôl at Green ar ymwneud â cwrt, a taran o ergyd! Heibio i bawb ac i gefn y rhwyd. Y capten Clayton Green yn union i'r sgôr. Ar ôl hanner awr, yr ymwelwyr yn mentro am unwaith i gwrt Cosby Aberystwyth. Y Green yn tanio honna, heibio i Jenkins yn y gôl. Thorn ar tafliad i'r cwrt Cosby. Evans yn troi, Johnny Evans! Wel, fe sgorodd e fflach o gol yn y munudau agoriadol. Oedd hwnna'n daran. Y bêl ddim ni glirio. Yn sponcio'n lletwyth. Doedd ddim hawl y fe sgorio hwnna. A rhywsut, fe grymanodd e hwnna, heibio i bawb. Ac yn llawn heiddi'r dathliadau yna. Evans. Am bêl. Anhygoel. At Flint! Mae yna ffair dros yr ewl a mae yna barti ar y car un o bryd. Evans ar ben i gêm. Y bas na'n wefreiddiol. A'r ergyd gan Flint. Y fodfeddi o giro Ash Morris yn y gôl. Lewis yn paratoi, cic rydd i'r ymwelwyr. Mae'n crymanu oddi ar gôl. A bron o hollti'r bar ar ergyd. Mae'n y gyfle i Jenkins. Ond yr ergyd reiddiol o'r cic rydd gan Kieran Lewis. Pawb yn rhagweld y croesiad i'r postyn pella. Yr ergyd bron a dal i Jenkins yn cysgu. Ben y mwn. Aros am gefnogaeth. Cyffyrddiad yn glyfar. Yw hanner cyfle falle o bell. Y bêl yn llithro. Mae Rhys wedi chodi iddi. Green eto. Yn trio bwydo i flaenwyr y tro yma. Nôl i amwn! Ar ergyd unwaith eto Jenkins o golwr. Yn ddigon mawr. Ei fraich neu gos neu ryw ran o'i gorff yn ddigon. I wyro honna dros y bar. A cyfle arall i'r ymwelwyr. O bêl i sboncio dros ben pawb, a dyma gyfle i Green o flaen y gôl! Dal yn rhydd, a Bradford yn y pen draw o ddiari o'i linell. A Clayton Green yn methu credu fod y bêl i cwmpot i drad o flaen y gôl. A dyna mae rhywun yn tybio oedd y cyfle i union i'r sgôr reit ar ddiwedd y gêm.
Our home form is great at the moment. We're winning games ugly. Teams are coming in and throwing everything at us, and we're doing enough to win the game. So if we keep doing that all season, even if we just win our home games, you know, we're going to be a tough team to beat, and just keep taking it into Christmas now and see what happens in the new year.
It helps to score worldies as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, obviously, yeah, but we'll keep that up, and hopefully I don't have to play many more games left or right back.
Do you feel that you maybe scored at the right time as well? It's always a good time to score, obviously, but they were painful for the opposition just after they equalised.
Yeah, it was disappointing they equalised. It was a soft goal. I think they hadn't been in our half probably once before that. We were that dominant today in the first half, and it's disappointing we'd only one up. And then together equalised, I think you've got to work again to get another goal. We got it straight away, which deflated them really. I suppose it did. Yeah, you are right. But going in at half time 2-1 probably wasn't a just result. But second half we had the battle. They had some chances. But you know what? They're always going to be like that. But we another 2-1, which is kind of our common theme at the moment.
We know that they were going to throw balls into our box, and we knew they put us under pressure with it, because that's where they've scored, I think it's 88% of their goals this year, and we didn't manage those moments. Our fault. The lads didn't take the responsibility of it. Once we got out of the game, second half, as you can see, we controlled it. We had a lot of moments ourselves, but we just didn't take them. But I'm just a little bit disappointed that a big game like this, for an opportunity to keep pushing for the top 6, and we don't get a penalty at the end, which is clear as handball.
You felt there was a missed handball there?
Yeah, it's a blatant handball. Always watch it back. It's on the footage. People will see it. A sort of referee's quite difficult, but the linesman should be looking across the line. It's a blatant handball.
At the start of the season, no bones about it. People were writing us off, saying we were favourites to get relegated. So it's very nice to prove a lot of people wrong and show that we can fight with the better teams in the league. And our position in the league is showing that at the moment, and we're looking now to push on and get top 6.
our ambition is top 6. I think it has to be. We're not silly. We know what run of games we've got. We know we've got some big games coming up against the tough teams. But like I say, we're going to strive to get top 6. If we do, absolutely outstanding. We are so-called minnows in the team, in the league, I suppose. But like I say, they're doing well. If we keep playing like that in games, we go win more, we lose more.